Oh yes, let's start that thing. See, this is how you're supposed to dress, silly boy. Yes, okay. Me and Rada are gonna go to the beach because it's going off right now. And I at least wanna go watch and witness. Right? Is it going off? Stop sitting like this. Stop it. This is bad for you. Bad for you. You sit like this. There you go. Sit like that. Wow. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, sleepy man. Should we get some of that sleep out of your eyes? There you go. There you go. Let's go see if it's going off. Looks like we got some skimmers over here. I don't recognize any of them yet. We'll see. Party wave. All the skimmers left, so we're just hanging out now. We get in and out tonight? If we're gonna get in and out, I have to go to the gym. Alright. Just as long as we're in agreement. You don't talk much, do you? Good thing you're cute. I got my wish. That's mine. My Kelly.
Hello. Urbana. Thank you.
Alright, Rado, let's end this thing. That's all. Come here, Bubba. Oh, also yesterday, Kelly made a time lapse of decorating the tree, so I'll put that right there. Okay, bye everyone.
Wow.
Bye.
Interesting to get this
Say bye-bye.
truth detector.
Oh, are you waving? Good job. Alright, bye. Rah.